Chris Graham here for Trailblazer RV, and we're here in the shop at Trailblazer, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the Levelmate Pro System for your Venture RV. We're going to use this 2021 Stratus 261 VRL, but the Levelmate Pro System and the setup for it is exactly the same no matter the Venture product you have. All Venture RV products for 2019 and on feature the Levelmate Pro System, and it is in fact exclusive to Venture RV. So I'm going to show you how to set up the Levelmate Pro System to level your trailer and monitor the level of your trailer using just your smartphone. And for the initial setup, you'll need two things, just a standard level and a tape measure, preferably about 25 feet long of tape measure. So to set up the app, first go to the App Store, download the Venture RV app, and then you'll need to find the Levelmate Pro controller inside the trailer, usually in the bathroom of the trailer. So follow me inside and we'll find that Levelmate Pro panel. So in this trailer, we'll find the Levelmate Pro panel right here inside the bathroom. And through the magic of technology, I'm going to share my screen with you. You should have that coming up right now. So this is the Venture RV app. Download it and open it. It brings up the screens and searching for devices. While it says searching for devices, press and hold the button on the Levelmate Pro panel until you hear the beep and it connects. So it's that simple. It connected to this trailer and is already showing us that we're very close to level. The first time you set this up though, you may have to configure what is level on the trailer. Right now we're parked inside our shop here at Trailblazer. We're very close to level already, but you may have to teach the system what's level. So in order to do that, take your floor level, and on a flat surface in the trailer, place the floor level on the ground to check level side to side, which we're perfectly level right now, and level front to back, which we are perfectly level as well, as I leveled this trailer before we started. So now we need to teach the app that this is level. So if you click the little settings button and set level, click the settings button, it's going to ask you for a couple of things. One is the width of the trailer. On any Stratus, Sport Trek, or Sport Trek Touring Edition, the width is 96 inches. On any Sonic or Sonic Light product, the width is 90 inches. And then the length from the center of the rear axle forward to the hitch post. So come on outside and let's check that. So you can see here I've already laid out the tape measure from the center of the rear axle to the hitch post. And we'll see that that is 20 feet plus an inch. So 241 inches. So we'll just enter 241 inches into the app, and then forward to the next screen. Choose the direction that the housing label of the Levelmate Pro faces when installed. That was when we were in the bathroom. And we know that this label faces the front of the trailer. So we're going to leave it set to front. Then you can choose the desired measurement in units as well. As good Canadians, we should all set this to centimeters, but speaking the universal language of RV measurements, I'm just going to leave this in inches for now. And obviously this is a travel trailer. And if we toggle forward to the last screen, you can set your desired measurement resolution. So if you want your measurement to be within a quarter of an inch, a half inch, 1 inch, or 1 1/4 inch, I say more accurate is better, so we'll leave it in a 1/4 inch resolution. And then country-based roadside operation, whether you drive on the left or on the right. Obviously we drive on the right. So we can hit save. Save changes. And we can go back to the home screen. Now let's set that level. So now we've taught the RV that this is perfectly level. Now you can see if you extend your tongue jack, it's going to show you that you're a 1/4 inch out of level, half inch, 3/4, 1 inch out of level. So now, next time you unhook your trailer from your truck, you can lift the coupler off the ball using the power jack, open the Venture RV app. It should connect automatically this time to the system, and you can simply use your power jack to level your trailer. If you're in an unlevel campsite, the best way to level the trailer side to side is still to use blocks. Some people will use just simple 2x6s. We've also got special RV leveling blocks that fit together like giant Legos that work really well. And you can level the trailer side to side using those blocks. And then once the trailer is level side to side and you've leveled it using the power jack, you can deploy your stabilizing jacks to be nice and snug with the ground to take some of the side-to-side motion out of the trailer. And that's it. That's how you set up the Levelmate Pro system on all Venture RV travel trailers. For more instructional videos and top 5 walk-around videos, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website, trailblazerrv.com. Thanks.